Welcome to Easy Language. Learn language easily. Let's start. Here are 10 moral stories in English, perfect for beginners at the A1-A2 level. Each story teaches an important life lesson while improving your reading and listening skills. Practice English in a fun and meaningful way. Story 1. The Honest Woodcutter. A woodcutter lost his axe in a river. He cried, "How will I work now?" A fairy appeared and showed him a gold axe. "Is this yours?" she asked. The woodcutter said, "No, mine was old." The fairy gave him his axe and the gold one, saying, "Your honesty is rewarded." Moral: always be honest. Story 2. The Lion and the Mouse. A lion caught a mouse. The mouse begged, "Please let me go. I will help you someday." The lion laughed but set it free. Later, the lion was trapped in a net. The mouse chewed the ropes and freed him. Moral: even small acts of kindness matter. Story 3. The Ant and the Grasshopper. In summer, an ant worked hard to store food. A grasshopper sang and laughed at it. In winter, the grasshopper had no food. The ant shared its food but said, "Next time, work hard too." Moral: hard work pays off. Story 4. The Boy Who Cried Wolf. A boy lied about seeing a wolf to get attention. People ran to help, but there was no wolf. One day, a real wolf came, but no one believed him. The boy learned not to lie. Moral: always tell the truth. Story 5. The Goose and the Golden Eggs. A farmer's goose laid a golden egg daily. The farmer became greedy and killed the goose, hoping for more gold inside. He found nothing and lost the goose forever. Moral: greed destroys everything. Story 6. The Thirsty Crow. A crow was very thirsty. It found a pot with a little water at the bottom. The crow tried to drink, but its beak couldn't reach the water. It thought hard and got an idea. The crow picked up small stones and dropped them into the pot. Slowly, the water rose to the top. The crow drank the water and flew away happily. Moral: use your mind to solve problems. Story 7. The Fox and the Grapes. A hungry fox saw a bunch of grapes hanging from a vine. He jumped to get them but couldn't reach. He tried again and again but failed. Tired, he walked away, saying, "Those grapes must be sour anyway." He pretended he didn't care, but deep inside, he was sad. Moral: it's easy to blame things when we can't achieve them. Story 8. The Turtle and the Rabbit. A rabbit laughed at a slow-moving turtle. The turtle challenged the rabbit to a race. The rabbit ran fast but stopped to rest, thinking he had plenty of time. The turtle kept moving slowly but steadily. By the time the rabbit woke up, the turtle had crossed the finish line and won the race. Moral: slow and steady wins the race. Story 9. The Golden Touch. A king loved gold more than anything. A fairy granted him a wish, and he asked that everything he touched turn to gold. At first, he was happy. But when he touched his food, it turned to gold and became useless. When he hugged his daughter, she turned to gold, too. The king begged the fairy to take back the gift. Moral: greed can lead to unhappiness. Story 10. The Shepherd and the King. A king visited a poor shepherd who was known for his honesty. The king asked, "How are you so happy with so little?" The shepherd said, "I may be poor, but I am rich in honesty and peace." The king admired him and gave him a bag of gold as a reward for his good heart. Moral: true wealth lies in honesty and kindness. If you enjoy these stories, please like, share and subscribe for more.